Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Do you want to learn how to write a landing page that actually gets sales? Do you feel confused about what to write and how to start? Don't worry, in this video, I will show you a simple step-by-step method. By the end of this video, you will know how to write a landing page that converts visitors into customers. So let's start. What is a landing page? First, let's understand what a landing page is. A landing page is a single web page. It is created for one purpose only. That purpose is to get action from the visitor. This action can be buying a product, signing up for email, downloading something, booking a service. A landing page is different from a normal website. It has no distractions. It focuses on one goal. Know your audience. By writing, you must know your audience. Ask yourself, who are they? What problem do they have? What do they want? For example, if you are selling weight loss tips, your audience wants to lose weight. They may feel tired, unhappy, or confused. Your job is to understand their feelings. When you know your audience, your writing becomes powerful. Writing a short headline. Now let's talk about the headline. The headline is the first thing people see. It is very important. A good headline should be clear, show a benefit, catch attention. For example, lose 5 kg in 30 days without jam. This is simple and clear. Bad headline example: welcome to my website. This is boring and weak. Always focus on the benefit. Write a sub-headline after a headline. Write a sub-headline. This gives more information. It supports the main headline. For example, follow this simple plan at home and see results fast. Keep it short and easy. Add a clear offer. Now tell the visitor what you are offering. Be clear. Don't confuse them. Say exactly what they will get. For example, a course, a guide, a product, a service. Explain in simple words. Show benefits, not features. Many beginners make a mistake. They only talk about features, but people care about benefits. Feature means what something is. Benefit means what it does for the user. For example, feature 10 value lessons. Benefit: learn step by step and start earning fast. Always focus on benefits. Ask, how does this help the user? Use simple and clear language. Write in simple English. Don't use difficult words. Keep sentences short. For example, this is a bad sentence. This revolutionary system optimizes your performance. So this is a good sentence. This system helps you work better and faster. Simple writing is powerful. Add social proof. People trust other people, so show proof. This is called social proof. You can add reviews, testimonials, ratings, results. For example, I lost 10 kg in 2 months using this plan. This builds trust. Create a strong call to action. Now tell the visitor that what to do next. This is call to action or CTA. For example, buy now, sign up, get started, download now. Make your CTA clear and strong. Also use action words. For example, start your journey today. Use urgency and scarcity. Sometimes people delay action. You can fix this by using urgency. For example, limited time offer. Only 50 spots available. Offer ends today. This pushes people to act fast. Keep the design clean. Your landing page should look clean. Do not add too many things. Avoid too many colors, too many links, too much text. Focus on one goal. Keep it simple and clear. Use images or videos. Visual or important. Add images or videos. They help people understand better. For example, show product images or explain using a video. Solve objections. People have doubts. You must answer them. Common doubts are: is this safe? Will this work? Is it worth the money? You can answer these with FAQs. Guarantees. For example, 30-day money back guarantee. This reduces fear. Test and improve. Your first landing page may not be perfect. That's okay. Test different things. Change headlines, images, and buttons. So what works better? This is called optimization. Simple landing page structure. Let's quickly review a simple structure. Headline, sub-headline, offer, benefits, social proof, call to action, FAQ or guarantee. Follow this structure and you are good to go. So now you know how to write a landing page. Let's recap quickly. Know your audience. Write a strong headline focused on benefits. Use simple language. Add social proof. Use a clear call to action. Remember, your goal is simple. Help the visitor take action. If you found this video helpful, please like this video. Subscribe to the channel for more simple guides. Also comment below and tell me, what are you trying to sell with your landing page? I would love to help you. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.